welcome back
to our channel again.
Yes, Journey with the Jacksons.
Cheers.
Welcome.
Yeah. Alright, so
All right.
we're here to bring you another awesome video.
But just before that, babe, what is it? Let's tell them.
It's January.
No, not only January.
It's a new year.
So happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year to every single person who watches our video, who likes our video. I mean, even if you just simply skim through the video, happy New Year to you and your family. We totally appreciate you.
Big up all our subscribers.
Yes, our viewers too.
Our viewers, everybody. And if you are watching and you have not subscribed, click that subscribe button. Yeah, and tell us which awesome video you would like to see from us.
All right, so we are excited. Today is what, January 3rd? Yeah, so we are 3 days into the new year.
Into a new year.
Yeah, and we just decided, we were just reflecting. We've been doing a lot of reflection. So we've been reflecting and we were like, you know, what are some of those things that 2021 has taught us?
Yeah, what did we learn
from 2021? I don't know how many. Also, guys, don't mind the shaking of the video. We're actually driving along Marcus Garvey Drive, and hence the camera is shaking. But anyhow, yeah, we've been thinking, what is it that we've learned from 2021? What have you learned, Dave?
All right, so one of the things I've learned is resilience. To be resilient. Well, I guess many persons have learned this. You know, with the whole pandemic, a lot of persons have come under a lot of pressure, a whole heap of pressure, and it's just by the grace of God, through positive thinking, through some people miss it by the skin of them teeth, like they continue to fight on and to push through. So that is one of the things that I learned. So many things could have gone wrong, but they didn't. So we are grateful. Yeah,
and also the importance of having being hopeful.
Yes.
And having that positive mindset. And you know, one of the things, we were looking back on some of the things that we've achieved in 2021.
Yes.
I was looking at them and I was saying to myself, oh my gosh, it seems as though we actually didn't really achieve much. And you know what? I started writing them down, and then Gav started reminding me, like, hey, you remember, say, oh, we did this, we got that, we paid this. I'm like, yeah, oh my gosh. And I just started exercising gratitude. I was like, I started making my list of everything that actually worked out for us, and the things that didn't work out but partially worked out. And I was just so grateful. And so, 2021 has taught me that a heart of gratitude is totally important. It gives you hope, it encourages you, it pushes you, and I don't know, it makes you feel appreciative of what it is that you have, right? So that's oh, we're down we're passing the waterfront. Let me see if I can show you guys. So this is downtown. This is in the vicinity of what? This is where? Oh, we're passing National Gallery over there, and we're going up. Which street is this, girl?
I don't remember.
I'm trying to see a signpost, but I'm not seeing that. Oh, this is the back of Bashko. I didn't know that. Generation in your family. And just so coincidentally, guys, on the radio, we're having the prayer being sung, the may his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations. Oh my gosh. What else has it taught you?
It has taught me to be faithful, to have faith. So resilience and faith, everything works hand in hand. It has taught me to be tougher, to mentally tougher.
Mental toughness.
Yes.
Cool.
More mental toughness, because it is very needed in today's society. And never give up. You know, so everything kind of come hand in hand with resilience and all. But yeah. What would you say to start you, babes?
I mean, and I totally agree with you with resilience and you know, as I said before, the positive mindset, and also the importance of having, you know, people who are positive, people who are actually of substance, to, you know, encourage you and lift you up when you're down, you know. So it taught me, you know, the importance of valuing, of recognizing relationships, friendships that are to be valued, right? That are to be valued. And you know what, it's not even just about what you can give, but what's better yet, not even just about what a person can give to you, but what you can actually give to that person. How is it that you can benefit one's life? So another thing that 2021 you were asking me that has taught me is actually the importance of goal setting. And because you realize that you set a goal, you don't necessarily will achieve that, you know, as with some of our goals, we don't necessarily achieve that, but we get a point at which we are able to do some kind of measurement. So we are able to measure whether or not we partially met that goal, we actually achieved that goal in totality, or we just didn't achieve it at all. And what are some of the things that we need to do? So it allows us, goal setting is so important. It allows us to set goals and have like a yardstick. As people would say, you have a measuring stick. To see where you're at, where you were, and what you've really achieved.
And what stopped you from truly achieving the true goal.
And also it allows you a point where you can rearrange things.
Make the necessary adjustments.
So goal setting, and it's definitely something that, I mean, it's not something that we've not known before, but it's something that I didn't think we heartily practiced.
I think one of the things that happened to us is that we know a lot of stuff. We know the right way to approach stuff. We know the whole hard work and sticking to your plans and everything. But our human nature sometimes causes us to diverge. Of course. Our life hits us and we become distracted and all that sort of stuff. So one point I want to make is that a lot of persons are going through stuff. So whenever something happens to you, and then you hear other person's story, then you get to realize that sometimes your problem is minute. Your problem is so small that compared to what other person, and it's not a case where you're better than anybody else. You know, it's not a case because God made us all equal. So we just learned that many persons are going through so many stuff. You might be going through something similar. So to me, it's all about working to being a better person. So the better person you are, the better individual you are, is the better you are able to handle stuff. Better whenever something comes up, then how will you deal with it? So you always try to work on yourself. Personal development. Working on yourself. What can I learn from this? What have I learned from this? This is happening. I dealt with this incorrectly. How can I deal with it better? How can I make it better? What amends can I make?
And I know, you know what? Another big one is, and as you said, these are all things that we know already, but I somehow 2021 has definitely concretized that, because flexibility and the importance of being able to adapt to changes. And a lot of people just, you call that, there is this terminology, they are change resistant, and it just makes things even harder. And so it is so important for us to be just flexible and just to be adaptive and just to be open-minded about things. And
most of all, positive.
Positive, I tell you. So I mean, you know, despite everything, also it's valuing, I was saying this before too, valuing you know, people that you love, people around you, make people know, say, you know what, Gav,
Yeah,
love you.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, yeah, and just do that and let people know that because of everything that was just actually happening in 2021 is like people were just, you know, you lose people here, so you lose people there, so you have broken relationship because a miscommunication, and it's just a whole host of things. So it's just important for you guys to just, you know what, even if you love somebody from afar, you just still let them know that, hey, you know what, I love you. I appreciate you. I remember when you did that for me, or whatever it is. So guys, with that being said, baby, anything else?
That's it.
Oh my gosh, we are so excited about what 2022 has to offer. We are so excited to be alive and well.
All right, so we just want to remain positive throughout and to hope for the best and to trust in God.
So we pray that for you and yours and your family, that you enjoy or you will encounter the goodness of God, that the windows of heaven will open over your lives, that favor will find you in whatever you do, wherever you go. And I mean, if anything that we've said that you know, are amongst the things that you've tried, or you know, you could, or you've not even tried it, but it's something that you could probably take on for your 2022.
And just comment down below what you have learned throughout 2021. Let us know. We want to hear.
Share that with us.
Share that with us.
Yes.
Sharing is caring.
So we're so excited about our journey, and don't forget guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you've not.
Share this video. Comment on this video. And thank you for always tuning in to Journey with the Jackson.
And always remember to what, babe?
Every day an adventure.